Look, last shot is the one actually right here in the middle. So this is the last one. I'm going to take 3 more shots and see if it's okay. So far I'm happy with the grouping at 70 meters, 80 yards. So here we are driving out, trying to go ahead and find a good spot where we can go hunting with the crossbow. There are people out here in the campgrounds apparently as well, but there's also signs of boars and hogs in both left and right side here as I'm driving in. It's actually a quite nice area. It's not that big. We might not see anything, we might see something, whatever. We never know when we start up. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the adventure we're on and see what happens. Hi guys, and welcome to the channel again, once again. I would like to first say thank you to all the guys who are actually following me on these adventures out here in nature. And right now we're on the way out to figure out if we can get something with the crossbow. So the crossbow is now sighted in, and what we're out for today is actually boars or hogs. We came out to a small area, hunting area, and I'm right now trying to go out and find myself a nice place, figuring out where the wind is from and see how it goes. But I hope everybody's staying healthy and you're enjoying the December. It's cold up here, as you can see. It's only 59 degrees at the moment, so it's actually kind of cold to be sitting in the treetop, but that's all right. Other than that, I'll keep you posted as we go along. This is how it looks like. Got a few ospreys up there circling around, so it looks really nice actually. My plan is to go down there along that whole bunch of trees there, the pine trees, and find myself a good spot. The wind is from the right, as you can see, so hopefully the hawk's gonna come out there and go his way through. I'm not sure, we'll see. I found a tree here, which should be the one. I'm gonna go up there and sit there and wait. I got hogs behind me, I got hogs in front of me. So let's see what it brings. It was actually quite a useful night, but it was dark, so you couldn't see anything. But here is the sow. It looks really nice. I'll give more. I'll actually film it more when I get back. We had a successful night anyway. It's dark now. The sun has went down about an hour ago, and we can hunt until half an hour after. And here is the sow that came by at my place. It was too dark, so, and it went so fast that you guys probably couldn't see it anyway. So But here it is, and a little bit sandy, but we'll go home and get it all cleaned up. Here's the Christmas pig after a little bit of a hunt today. It's actually a pretty nice one, a little bit of a meat hog, which is fine, and we'll see if we can get her all sorted out and get it ready for the pots and pans here in the next future. So it was actually quite a good hunt. I hope you enjoyed it. I did as well. It's a little bit dark when it happened, but here it is. Well guys, it's the day after. Been out on the hunts, and apparently it was too dark yesterday, so I never got the shot on video either, so I figured I was gonna wait to do all the stuff here for the clean and cook part for the day after. So here we are the day after, and this is the catch from yesterday, and here we go. Say a sow, which is actually quite nice. Looks okay, and you know, it's actually filled up with a lot of ticks, so I gotta go ahead and get that sorted out really quick. So we'll go ahead and get that cleaned up and get ready for cooking, and then we're gonna see what we can figure out. So I hope you enjoy it. We're gonna go ahead and make a quick quartering out like we did last time, where I'm gonna use the furs or the skin by itself, flip back and forth inside of it, and then we'll go ahead and take it out, and we'll do some back straps for dinner. Stay tuned. Nicely, you need a knife that is really sharp. I got one here. It looks a bit special, but it's very easy to puncture the skin, and then it rolls up the top, basically on top of the pig all the way over, and then we're gonna go ahead and take the back straps out. So this is just a regular knife. Basically it's just a shape that's different. It fits perfectly to my hand, so I can kind of cut it, and it works really well. So it's not a matter of how big it is, it's a matter of what the right tools are, and that would help you out big time. Anyway, let's get started and see what happens. You want some more and all this stuff?
No, it's easy to grab.
Huh?
If it's not too much trouble.
Well, pick still.
No. Of course you do. Second leg.
That's the ham, and it's going on ice.
It looks really nice.
Yeah, I think so too, actually. So here we are in the kitchen. I just took the back straps out and cleaned it up for the silver skin, so it's kind of clean. Now we're going to continue from here on. One I'm going to cut up in the middle and fill it up with stuff, and then it's going to be rolled up in bacon. The other one is going to be marinated. Normal regular cream cheese with a little bit of minced garlic. There's parsley and also a little bit of cilantro. That's going to be mixed up to one paste that's going to be in the middle of the back strap before it gets wrapped up in bacon. Just cutting some garlic out in like half moons. They're going to be put into the meat nice and easy, like so when you cut it you get a little bit of garlic every time as well. Garlic goes in nice and easy like this, the half moons. Just put it into your meat like that. The next one goes in over here, and then in the end it's going to be wrapped up with bacon as well. Salt, pepper, and marinade, and then now it's time to be wrapped up with the bacon. I've actually cut the back strap out so I get a bit more flat, put the bacon underneath, and now I'm gonna fill in the filling that I have here with the cream cheese, and then we're gonna wrap it all up and then put toothpicks in between so also it's ready for the barbecue. A little bit of salt, pepper, and then it's ready. So this is the last part of the backstrap, and this has gotten some rub and also some salt and pepper in there and some garlic powder. So it's filled up with parsley and also some chopped walnuts, and then it's now ready to be actually closed up in the bacon. Here's the back straps in all different editions with a little bit of asparagus wrapped up in bacon as well. So we got the normal one over here with the marinated one, then we got the one here with the cream cheese in it, and then we got one over here with the nuts and different herbs as well. So here we got some kale that's gonna be deep fried, and it's gonna be deep fried over there. And then we got some carrots, they're gonna be fried as well, but on a frying pan with some, especially normally you can use any kind of syrup, but this is actually marava, which is organic amber agave. Basically it's a syrup or sugarish kind of syrup, and it's really good as well. That's how fried kale looks like. Very crispy, and it's really good. There they are. I'm gonna try one. They're so delicious. Awesome. So now we're going to make some caramelized potatoes. So here we go. Normal white sugar goes onto the frying pan, and then we turn up the heat and it will start melting. Once it's melting, a little bit of butter, the less you put in, the better it will stick, and the bigger the caramel part will work, and it will taste really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and get ready with the sauce, and it's going to be with baby portobello. It's actually one of my favorites. Then there is a little bit of nice grapes. They're cut in halves, and I'll go ahead and see there's a few seeds. I go ahead and remove the last part of the seeds. A little bit of crushed walnuts over here. That's going to be put into the pan here in a second. We can start with the roast these actually, and then once that's all roasted up, what we're going to do here, we're going to put in a port after that, and then it'll go ahead and get fried up by a normal port wine. Then we're going to go ahead and use some butter, of course. I'm going to use a lot of cream as well. Let's see how it goes. While the walnuts are getting ready, the sugar is getting ready as well, and you can see now it's melting nice and easy. I'm just going to let it melt out completely. Don't put in the butter too early because it's not going to help. Make sure it's all melted and without burning, of course. It takes a little bit of time. And as you can see, this is all the walnuts and the portobello, baby portobello mushrooms, and they're just getting roasted a little bit so they can actually get a little bit of goodness and have a good taste in a second. So we're going to go ahead and do a little bit more, and then we're going to put some port wine in there as well. Just added some port wine in this one. And now getting ready to do a little bit of adding of butter in this one. Give me a nice caramel, and here we are. Now we're ready to go ahead and put in the potatoes. There we go. Plenty of cream, always works, and maybe butter as well if you want to. It's up to you. Depends on how you want it. But let's see. You can also add oranges if you want to have a little bit more like a sweeter taste to it, but it tastes really nice as it is with the grapes. Starting up on the carrots, just put in a little bit of butter in there, and now we're going to put in carrots. Make sure they're a little bit dry, that'll be nice. And once you have them in, ready, then after that we're going to put in this syrup type thing, the organic agave. And just let it sit. So now it's time to go ahead and get these barbecued up. So let's have a look. I think it's getting ready. So here it is. It's definitely looking promising. Well, it's flaring up a little bit, as you can see, but that's good. It looks promising. Progress check is definitely passed. Right off the barbecue. So this is the final result of the wild boar or wild hog that we had here this morning. Here is the menu. We got the candied potatoes over there. Here's the different layouts of the barbecued hog, and then also a little bit of asparagus. There is a sauce over there with basically on port wine, and then we got also the caramelized carrots over here, but that's from the syrup. Bon appetit. So here's the plates, guys. Got the carrots, potatoes, the fried kale, the normal barbecued seasoned backstrap, and then the one with cheese in it. The sauce as well with port wine, and then also the 2 asparagus with the bacon. Bon appetit. So how do you like it?
I love it. Now I can stop eating it.
We almost finished it all. Here we go.
When you shut that camera off, I shove it in.
It's good. And a special message for Jesper, my brother. Well, you can fry kale, and it is really, really good. Try it. I know you don't want to, but try it. This is awesome. Really good. It didn't die in vain, I can tell you that much. So we're gonna go out and catch another boar as soon as we can.
It was worth it.
It's definitely worth it. So enjoy. Good recipe. Try it out. I'll put it in the comments below, or in the description below. And if you don't mind, drop a comment. I'll be happy to comment on it too. And hopefully everybody stays healthy out there. See ya.